In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add manufacturers. In this regard, for this particular store, we're actually adding publishers. The advantage of adding publishers is that customers can search for books within a publisher, and also you can create discounts based on based around that publisher. So you see here we are on the dashboard screen. I've got my actual dashboard over here, the menu out, so you can see exactly. You can minimize this by pressing this button over here, and we're going to keep it out. See, there's this actual tutorial, there are two stages in making it easier for customers to look at manufacturers, and in this tutorial we are going to do both. But this tutorial will be split into two parts: the just creation of it and then putting it on the home page. So this is part one. So first we're going to click on manufacturers button. It's a very simple process, and here I have my list of manufacturers or publishers, and there's a specific order that they're in, and that order will define what they are in the list, but it's going to be alphabetical anyway, so it's not going to be as important. Right. So here we have nine manufacturers, 9 publishers. If you want to edit it, you press on the pen button, and that way if you want to add a manufacturer but you don't have a picture, so you can put it in there and then you can add the picture later. Right. It's important to have the picture there when you're actually it's important to have a picture there, so when they click on it they know exactly what's going on, but that can be added in later, and another tutorial will be dedicated to how to get the actual picture itself. So now here we go, we have the plus sign. We want to go and click on this plus sign at the top of the screen, add new. Right, so we want to add in a new manufacturer. Let's call it Judaica Press. Right, and then so we want to put the S here, Judaica Press. In your stores section, there's only one default store. What this section is about is that if you have multiple stores with different products, for example, if you had a store that was based in like SWAT, or you had a store based in a different country and it sold slightly different products, they sold the same thing, so then you would have multiple stores here, and then you could choose which stores hold which manufacturers or publishers, and which stores hold which actual products. If you had a physical store and you wanted to link this to it as well, so then, and you had multiple of these physical stores, so you can differentiate between the different stores as well. Since we only have dealing with one store, we only have this one ticked, right? Default. Here, then we have, so there we have that. Then we would click on this image button, click on it, and it would take out these two options: the bin, which is to remove the image, and the edit button, which is the pencil button, which would lead us to the image thing. And then we could go, and I haven't got any images up here, but we would take a logo from here, and then, or we would upload one by pressing this upload button, which would upload it directly to this folder when you're in this folder, and then you would click on it and you'll see it come here. Afterwards you click in order to see which order is presented, and now we're at number 10, and then we would press save. Right, there you have Judaica Press. It says number 10, and if you remember, while we're adding products, so in the links section there is so we'll go on and show you. In the links section, let's go edit product, random product. You'll see here that they're in links section over here, there's manufacturers, and then you would go and you would type in Judaica Press, make sure you have clicked on it, and then it will show in both the product itself, and when you search for it, it would show don't worry, that wasn't there. It will show that it's from Judaica Press. Alright, that is how to just add the product itself. Let's go ahead and delete that. So that we deleted by pressing the white box right next to the name, and then by pressing the delete button. Okay, that's it. In the next video, you'll see that on the home page of our website, you'll see that there is this banner, this carousel over here with the manufacturers, where they can go and actually just click on them and it will lead to the one that they want. So we'll click on Ozva Hadar, and as you see, it has all the Ozva Hadar books. The other way that that has to be manually added, otherwise they have to scroll down, as you see, to here, and it has publishers under extras, and then they can find the amount of publishers there. That's it for this video. In the next video we will talk about how to add the publisher to the home page.